Here we are, South Street School. We're back in 2023 with our annual cereal drive and domino fall. We couldn't be more proud to be a part of this community and watch all the work that everyone's done over the last 2 weeks to bring in boxes of cereal to donate to Helping Makes You Happy, the organization that will be spreading all of our donations across the local food pantries. It makes us very proud to be a part of this community, myself as a community member, and just to see the fun and excitement that brings everyone together, and most importantly, the fun and excitement that the boys and girls experience when we do our annual domino fall. There's really nothing like it. So we want to thank you very much for your donations this year. We hope we can have you donate again in the future, and know that it's all going to a good place to feed hungry people in our communities that need our help. Thank you again.